You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? How do you say the name of this sauce, this food name, recipe? For more names from French cuisine, absolutely stay tuned. Okay, in French, in France, it is said as Gribiche, Gribiche, okay, so it's not Gribiche or Gribiche or Gribiche, Gribiche. So CH in French is pronounced like SH, Gribiche, okay, so if you cannot pronounce the French R, you can say it as Gribiche, Gribiche, sauce Gribiche or Gribiche sauce. Now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.